Hello. This brief video will show how to request a research consultation from a Columbia College Chicago librarian. Remember that you can always get assistance on the library homepage by using the email option. When you send your question, a librarian will get back to you and try to help you with whatever research need you have. You can also use live chat when it's available to get immediate assistance. But if you find yourself wanting to do some really in-depth research, maybe you've taken some steps in your research already and you'd like advice on how to go farther, or you've run into some kind of barrier with your research, or if you simply want a librarian to walk through some of the processes with you, that's a good time to request a research consultation. To find the research consultation request form, you'll go to the services link at the top of the library webpage. And there's a link to the research consultation right here. Here you can fill in your name, your status, student, faculty, or staff, your email, any tools that you've already used to try to get assistance with your project, and times when you might be available to meet with a librarian, and how you prefer to meet. Now notice that email is an option, so if you don't actually have time to make an appointment and meet with the librarian, you can also have interaction via email in response to this research consultation request. But one of the easiest ways is by Zoom. You can also use phone, and you may also want to request to meet in person in the library. You tell us about your research, if it's related to a class, your instructor's name, the course title. Give us as much description about your research project as you can, and describe the research that you've already done and perhaps where you've run into a problem or where you'd like more help. And then you submit the form. A librarian will get back to you and make an appointment for one of the times that you said you're available, or if you prefer, they may just give you some advice via email and set you up for a back and forth via email with the librarian. Another place that you might find a research consultation request, other than here on the services page of the library site, is if you're in a research if you're in a research guide, like this is a research guide for the Writing Rhetoric 2 course, you may find a link to the research consultation form down under the Need Help box. So right here is another way to get in. And that's how you find and request a research consultation.